Hello everyone, I'm at this place here today and I think this is going to be my very first HVAC heaven because I found 3 Bryants right here. I'm going to go check this out. It's the only big one here. That hurt my ears so yeah. It's pretty dirty in there. It's Bryant logo. And here are 2 mini ones right here. 2 mini ones. None of them are on. No, I think this one's a bit bigger. Still have a lot of leaves in there. There's the Bryant logo once again. Over here, I found 2 Lennoxes and 2 Dakins. Like I said, none of them are on for some reason. Except for this Dakin. It's actually on. And over here, we have another Bryant and a Heil unit. This one's pretty old, actually. Oh, that AC unit's hot. And we have this Bryant. The logo's put on the wrong direction. Yeah, I don't know how old this is, but yeah. Guys, look. I found a Mantis. Going over here, we have another Bryant right here. I don't know what this actually is. This Bryant here. Alright, this can't come off. And we have a York, which actually is on. And we have an Armstrong Air, which is awesome. But yeah, Bryant. That York just shut. Is this one okay? It's not turning. The fan's not moving. It's really shaking loose. Is it okay? Oh, there we go. And I forgot to tell this one. Oh, it's a Fujitsu, and it's on. They have a nice Fujitsu. This place actually has a lot of them.